Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous videos, we explored the sine and cosine function using right triangles. Today we will tackle another essential trigonometric function, the tangent. Just like the sine and cosine, tangent is also defined based on the ratio of the sides in a right triangle, but it tells us something different. So let's dive in. Before jumping into the tangent, let's quickly revisit the sine and cosine. Remember, sine is the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse and the cosine is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Over here, if we consider this angle as the theta angle, then opposite side of the theta is A, adjacent side is B, so hypotenuse is C. Cos theta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, so adjacent side B, so B divided by C. And sin theta is opposite side to the hypotenuse, so opposite side is A and hypotenuse is the C. The tangent function focuses on the relationship between the opposite side and the adjacent side in a right triangle. Here is the formula for the tangent. Tan theta is opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So over here, tan theta opposite side is A and adjacent side is B. Now what is the relationship between tan theta, sin theta and cos theta? As we already know that cos theta is adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse, which is B upon C, and sin theta is opposite side divided by the hypotenuse, which is A divided by C. And tan theta is opposite side divided by the adjacent side, which is A divided by B. Now if we divide both the opposite side and adjacent side by the hypotenuse, then it's A divided by C and B divided by C. So opposite side divided by the hypotenuse is sin theta and adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse is cos theta, which is again A divided by B. So tan theta is equal to the sin theta divided by the cos theta. This is very useful relationship. Now coming to the example stuff, let's suppose this is the tree and the distance between the base of the tree and the person is over here is 10 meter. An angle which is made by the person and the height of the tree is x degree, which is equal to 45 degree. So we need to find the height of the tree. So if we look at the tan theta function over here, then we can write over here that what is 10x? 10x is equal to opposite side is BC divided by AC. Now AC is given 10 meter, it's a base distance, and x angle is 45 degree. Tan 45, which is equal to BC by 10. As tan 45 value is 1, we will explore in the future video why the 45 degree of the tan is 1. We will define the same in the future video, but as of now tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to BC by 10. So BC is equal to 1 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 10 meter. BC is nothing but the height of the tree, which is 10 meter. So again the height is 10 meter. The tangent function is another powerful tool in trigonometry. By understanding the ratio between the opposite and adjacent side in a right triangle, you can solve various problems and applications. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try solving some tangent problems yourself to solidify your grasp of this concept. If you have any questions about tangent or trigonometry in general, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math adventures.